Hi guys, happy Monday, April 27th. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. Um, and I hope you had a great weekend. I want to get started with just telling you that really today is just going to be a work day. I want you working on your literary analysis paper outline because that is due on Wednesday. And then if you are really ahead of the game, work on your paper, all right? Tomorrow I will be going over how to, some ideas that you could go over for your thesis statement. I'm going to take each short story and put them on their own slides in a PowerPoint. And if you're still struggling, maybe go to that PowerPoint and see what ideas I've come up with, and maybe you want to use your own. Obviously, I'm just going to give you the main basis of something that could be a thesis statement, like foreshadowing or characterization or theme, but it is your responsibility to format the thesis statement and to come up with at least 3 supports, which will form into 3 different body paragraphs in order to complete your paper. Obviously, you can always set up a video conference with me or email me if you have any questions. If you're struggling to format a thesis statement, you're not quite sure how to do it, or if you are struggling to find a third point, because sometimes it's so easy to find the first 2 and then the third one is like, oh my gosh, where am I going to find this? Let me know. I'm really good. I'm a pro at this by now, after so many thesis papers in college. So please, I'm here to help. Please let me know. And sometimes the video conference, you just need someone to kind of talk you through the points live. So if you ever need to set up a video conference with me, please let me know. Just email me, and my schedule is pretty free during the day. So please, please, please email me and set up an appointment if you need to. Also, that outline, you should be using the one that I showed you on the 15th as a reference. So if you slide back to the 15th, you'll see this outline example and go to it. And then, so you don't have to do this and format it all, just file and then make a copy. And then you can edit it. Obviously, you would be editing the last name, your name, and then of course it won't be down at the dinghy, it'll be your short story, and then you'll take out all this section, but you'll keep in the body paragraph things and all of that. And it's already pre-formatted to you, Times New Roman, 12 size font, double spaced. So if you want to save yourself the trouble of doing all of that, please make your own copy of my example. But definitely make your own copy. Do not edit this one. Let's go back to today. Okay. So that is all I'm actually asking you to do today. Please just work on that. Email me if you have any questions, and focus on your story. And hopefully by now you've read through it multiple times, you've annotated it, and you have an idea of what is going on in your story. If you still do not, either switch stories, or even better, just email me and we'll talk through it, okay? All right, so have a good day, and I hope your week is going to be a good one, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, have a good one.